This is the screen you land on after you've logged in. I go to Scheduling EVV. After I click Scheduling EVV, I hit Self Check-in. And then it brings me to the Self Check-in screen where it has the start date, schedule type, individual, program, service, staff, and billable. Always billable has to be clicked. You'll see, again, most of the demographics already populated. I'm going to go in and select an individual. So I've selected an individual. And then I have to go in and check the program. For respite, it's In Home Respite. I click In Home Respite, and then I must click the service. After I click service, the service is At Home Respite. I click At Home Respite. After all of those domains are populated, I then hit Next in the top right-hand corner. It then brings me to the location screen. So I select location type. If it's in a home, I select home. If it's in a community, I select community. I'm going to say home. I've selected home, and then I hit submit. You'll notice, similar to in the ComHab plan, you see the individual's name, you see the time that you've checked in, you see the service, and you see the program, right? At Home Respite, In Home Respite, time is 9:38, and then it says not checked out. So this demonstrates that you've checked in effectively. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go back to the beginning screen where after you log in and you see the dashboard. After you log in, once again, this is in theory saying that you've completed your shift. You're going to be at the dashboard. You go to Scheduling EVV, and this is to check out. After you go to Scheduling EVV, you want to click on the initial checking that you made. So you see for this particular individual, we checked in at 9:38. We're saying that the shift is over. Instead of going all the way to the bottom and hitting self check-in, I click on the check-in that I've already done, which is the Siobhan McFarlane at 9:38. Then you'll see in the middle of the screen, it says checkout. The only thing that I'm doing for respite is I hit checkout. I hit checkout. It's going to ask me the location type again. I'm going to say I did the service at home. So there you have it, at home. After I do that, I hit submit. You see at the bottom, it popped up, checkout has been successful. So on the agenda record page, it has the time that I checked in, 1/14/2021. That's today's date at 9:38. And the time that I checked out, 1/14/2021 at 9:39. And then that's pretty much it for respite. The difference between checking in for respite and ComHab is that ComHab requires that you enter the data. Respite does not require entering data. It only requires that you check in and check out.